Hello friends, welcome back again and again to your own YouTube channel Everest Education, and this is a fifth video of exercise 8.1. So let's solve question number 9. Question number 9 is in triangle ABC, right angle at B means at right angled is at B. So this one is A and B. It is already given that tan A equal to 1 by root 3. It is already given that tan A equal to 1 by root 3. So now we have to find firstly sin A cos C plus cos C sin C. To find all these things, firstly we the need of base, perpendicular and hypotenuse. We have these needs. So firstly we will find all these things. Tan A equal to 1 by root 3, which is perpendicular upon base. So perpendicular is 1 unit and base is root 3 unit. And now we have to find hypotenuse. To find hypotenuse, we will this one is C. To find hypotenuse, we will use Pythagoras theorem by PGT AC and its whole square equal to root 3 and its whole square plus 1 and its whole square, and root 3 whole square equal to 3 plus 1 into 1 equal to 1 and AC square. Now 3 plus 1 equal to 4. Now what comes out as AC? AC equal to root 4. Be root 4. So root 4 equal to 2. 2 into 2 equal to 4. So we have hypotenuse 2. Now firstly we will find sin A cos C and cos C sin C. All these values separately. We will find all these things. So let's find it. Sin A. Firstly we will find sin A. Sin is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular is 1 upon hypotenuse is 2. And cos C, for cos base upon hypotenuse, base is root 3 upon 2. And this one is not cos C, this one is cos A. This one is cos A. By mistake it is written this one is cos A. Cos A and sin C. Cos A. Now we will find cos A. And this one is also wrong because why it is wrong? Because it is cos C. Because it is cos C. To find cos C, we are given base upon hypotenuse. In this case, base is 1 and hypotenuse is 2. And now cos A, we have to find cos A. So to find cos A, we have base upon hypotenuse. Base will be root 3 upon hypotenuse is 2. And sin C. Sin C. Sin C, which is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular is root 3. For angle sin C, perpendicular is root 3 and hypotenuse is 2. Now we will find first ones. We will find firstly first one. Sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Cos A sin C. So what is the value of sin A? Sin A is 1 by 2 into cos C is 1 by 2 plus cos A is root 3 by 2 into sin C is root 3 by 2. Now it is 1 into 1 equal to 1 upon 2 to the 4 plus root 3 into root 3 equal to 3 upon 2 to the 4. Now after adding it, what it comes out as 314 4 upon 4. 4 4 cancel out and it comes as a. So 1, and 1 is the answer. Now we'll find second one, cos A and cos C plus sin A and sin C. This one is not plus, this one is minus. And in this question also, it is by mistake. This one is not plus, this one is minus. This one is minus. So we will use minus. So cos A is root 3 by 2 into cos C is 1 by 2 minus sin A is 1 by 2 into sin C is root 3 by 2. So root 3 into 1 equal to root 3 upon 2 to the 4 minus root 3 upon 4. So root 3 upon 4 minus root 3 upon 4 equal to 0. It is the answer. Now next 10 and 11 question number will be in next video. So thank you, meet you in the next video. And one thing more, I am making short videos so that you can properly find your doubt in your personalized question and don't waste time on searching the questions. So I'm making a video in many parts.